just had lunch with my friend in Soho, and now I'm actually in Midtown. I don't come to Midtown often, but when I do, it is to go to Mood Fabrics. Super excited because I'm actually here trying to figure out my Halloween costume situation. I have a really fun Halloween costume in mind, and I have a thrifted suit that I think could work for the costume, but it needs some tweaking and to be customized a little bit to fully capture the character that I'm trying to be. So I'm currently on my way to Mood, trying to get some fabric, and then I'm gonna bring the suit to a tailor to see if they can customize it. So it's gonna be a little bit of a process. So wish me luck, gonna show you guys everything.